Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the collision alert on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and tap to the Settings button in the Tools section. At the left side on the screen, go to the Alerts button and go to the first option, the Collision Alert, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle. And new, this alert is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.